So let me ask you this. Do you do this for other people? Do you compliment them? Do you give them knowledge? Do you help them along in their journey? And if you do, how does it make you feel when you do this? Probably makes you feel pretty good because you know that you're doing it for no reason whatsoever. You just want to help out. It's a humbling experience. Hey guys, hey, let's talk about getting more by giving value, the real life edition. Now, today I've got some notes with me so I don't forget and I can cover this information with you. I'm Brady, the Gotti. You've seen me before, you'll see me again. But today we're going to talk about how you get more by giving value in real life, real time, right here, right now. Maybe you want more sales. Maybe you want more love. Maybe you want more respect. Maybe you want to leave a legacy, like me. But anyway, when's the last time that somebody complimented you? Or when's the last time that you gave somebody a compliment? People are not weird, strange, complicated. Let's use the word complicated. People are complicated. When you give somebody a compliment, they will usually respond with a smile. If you ask somebody a genuine question, they'll give you a genuine response. If you say it with a smile on your face or ask it with a smile on your face, you're going to get in return a smile in response. One hand washes the other there. And because we're so complicated, it makes it's so easy, let's say online, that your mind thinks that everybody is agenda driven. So when you see an ad or a video and you click that thing and they say, hey, get this, get that, just give me this from you, you know that that's pretty much clickbait, if you want to call it. You know that it's agenda driven and it probably turns you off a bit. I know it does me. But if you find the issue or the area that you really want to learn about, you may have to enter an email address or your name, possibly even your phone number, to get that information. And that's okay. You know that you are giving your email for some value from them that you want. And there's nothing wrong with that. But let me ask you a question. When's the last time that somebody offered you more sales, more love, more respect, with absolutely nothing in return? When's the last time that happened? When did somebody give you a compliment? Think about it. When's the last time somebody complimented you? When's the last time somebody offered to help you with a problem that you have? Think about it. I think about it, and sometimes it's hard to think of the last time that somebody gave me an actual compliment or somebody gave me the knowledge to solve a problem without asking for anything at all in return. And it's mind-boggling that it doesn't happen that often. But recently, in the past couple years, I have found that if, rather than walking around with a scowl on my face, that's not really a scowl, but instead of walking around all hardcore, scowl on my face, not talking to people, not saying anything, not getting any return energy, I found out that if I walk around smiling, and I say hello, or I say good morning, or I say, hey, nice haircut, nice pair of shoes, that I get a smile back. And people say, thank you. And then maybe the conversation starts real fast because people are complicated and people have been programmed to think that everybody wants something from you for something, or they're giving you something because they want something in return. And I have found out in the past couple of years that the more you give, just like old Gary Vaynerchuk will tell us, give, give, give until it bleeds, give until it hurts. It will come back to you tenfold. And I have begun to find that out. So I try to give as many people a day a compliment. I try to help as many people in life in general, try to help them solve their problems if I know how to solve it, of course. And it makes me feel good. So let me ask you this. Do you do this for other people? Do you compliment them? Do you give them knowledge? Do you help them along in their journey? And if you do, how does it make you feel when you do this? Probably makes you feel pretty good because you know that you're doing it for no reason whatsoever. You just want to help out. It's a humbling experience. And on the other side of that is when asking you if somebody's done this for you, remember when and how did that make you feel when somebody did the same thing for you? When they answered that question, when they gave you that compliment, when they gave you that information and just said, hey, have a great day, and they walked away. It probably made you feel pretty darn good that, hey, I just solved my problem. This person helped me solve the problem. This person made me feel good about myself. This person brought me out of that slump that I was in. And it made you feel good because they didn't want anything for it. Again, just it's humbling to me to think about it. And the more that I do it, the more that I get back from doing it. So I try to do this on a daily basis to put that in my mind, to keep helping. Humble myself. I'm no better than the next person. I get up in the morning, I put my pants on one leg at a time. So does everybody else. They get up in the morning, they put their pants on one leg at a time. And we all have the same struggles, the same issues. We all at times will feel bad. We might have bad hair day that makes us feel bad. And then you go out in public and somebody says, hey, nice hair. And you're thinking, well, maybe it is, maybe it's not. But hey, somebody noticed and they complimented me. Hey, that feels pretty good. And then pretty soon you got a smile on your face and you're walking around all chipper. And then you pay it forward and you tell the next person, hey, nice hair. And they smile at you and say, thank you. I mean, it just goes on and on. I mean, with anything you do, just try to be nice. So it kind of brings me to a little life story that got me started in all this because I wanted more sales and I wanted more love and I wanted more respect and I didn't know how to really go about it. And I wanted to leave a legacy. So I joined a boot camp, online boot camp, and I'm sure a lot of you know what the online boot camps are. Probably got to put an email in because somebody wants something from you. And then you have to pay them some money because they want something from you. But I did join this boot camp and I paid the money expecting some great value. And lo and behold, was it great value because it taught me the lessons that I'm teaching you guys now. And from that boot camp came the camaraderie that I was looking for of the so-called like-minded people. I mean, they're all, I hate using that term like-minded, everybody uses it. But when you're around people, when you're around the birds of a feather that flock together, and you're all commenting and giving each other support, it really builds your self-esteem and makes you come out of your shell even more. It makes you feel better. It makes you want to give back even more because these people are giving to you. And I'm not talking about the instructor of a boot camp. I'm talking about the people within and the people that you surround yourself with. If they are all complimentary, nice, upbeat, outspoken, guiding, helping, it just makes you feel the same way. And you need to surround yourself with people like that. So that's what happened in this boot camp. And it was great, great knowledge, great group of people. And now I continue doing the same thing, supporting others in helping them with whatever problem that I can help with, basically. I mean, if I can help you solve a problem, I want to genuinely help you solve the problem. If you're feeling bad and I can compliment you and it makes you feel better, I don't want anything for it. I'm just glad that you feel good. Everybody should feel good. You woke up this morning, you're watching this video, you're alive. What's there not to feel good about? So you might as well pay it forward and compliment the next person. Help the next person solve their problem or their issue. Bring them up. Don't beat them down. Get in a support group. Get those people around you that feel the same way. And when everybody's doing this back and forth with each other, it grows. The energy is different. And it not only helps you, it helps them. It makes you feel good. It makes them feel good. Life is good. Everybody's happy. And there you have it. So anyway, that's what I did and what I continue to do now. I don't have any crazy quote. Well, I do have a crazy quote, one that I absolutely love. It's from Gary Vaynerchuk. You will die. That should say it all. You're alive and living right now watching this video. You may be down and out, but you just happen to stop here and listen. Believe me, you're not down and out. You're alive. You've got the internet. You've got a way to watch and listen. You can get up and walk around. Bad thing to say there, maybe. But you are alive and you can take action and help other people. Let them feel good also. Help them feel good. Help them solve their problems. So anyway, that was my crazy quote right there. You will die. So live life today. Help others because you may not be here tomorrow. And I think about that every single day, if not 2 or 3 times a day. Not that I'm dwelling on dying, but I'm dwelling on the fact that I'm living. And I want to continue to help people leave their legacy, to feel good about themselves, to have more love and respect for themselves and other. Now I'm just starting to ramble on, but I think you get the message. If you give more than you take, what comes back to you is 10x. It happens. The momentum builds and it happens and it changes your whole mindset. So let's see, it was the last chance. Helping people. I think I covered my notes, and I think you understand the difference between clickbait and somebody trying to get something or get into your pocket for giving you nothing, opposed to you giving of yourself to others through compliments, through love, through training, through solving. If you do that with no agenda behind you, you're golden. Golden. Anyway, this is, take my glasses off. Now I kind of match the guy behind me. This is Brady Theodore, the Gotti. And I hope you got a couple words of wisdom out of this. Come back and join me again real soon. I'm not going anywhere. Have a great day. Talk to you all later.